Clamshell. Laying on your side on the floor or on a towel with your arms straight out in front of you, knees are together and feet are together, and your hand is placed on your hip, breathing to prepare, and as you breathe out, keeping your heels connected, lift your right knee up towards the ceiling over and over again. We are going to perform 12 repetitions while maintaining glute activation and keeping your heels together the entire time. Try and keep your head in a neutral position. If you cannot hold that position, you can use a pillow to support. Keep your hand on your pelvis so you can truly understand and palpate what glute activation feels like. To increase the challenge, you can raise your feet off the floor, keeping your heels together the entire time, and you can add a band in between your knees. What you complete on one side, you will complete on the opposite side.